I'm going to show you an incredibly powerful ad you can run on Facebook. And what's really cool about this is it'll actually let you know the time frame people are thinking about moving. And it's great actually for attracting sellers as well as buyers because you are promoting listings. And depending where the listing is, you're going to attract a lot of sellers that'll need to sell their home as well. I'm just going to quickly show you what this can look like. So here's an example of an agent running this listing ad here. You can see we generated 20 leads at about $4.82, including the time frame for selling. If we opened up that on Facebook, it would look like this. I'm going to show you how you can customize this image. And what's cool is it says get price, location, and more photos. When the lead clicks on this ad, it's actually going to show them a little bit more info about the property again. And then it's going to ask them, how soon are you thinking of moving? Immediately, 1 to 3 months, unsure, just browsing, or 3 to 6 months. I'm going to click 1 to 3, click next. Of course, this is just fake information in my account, but it's going to pull in the lead's email address, phone number, and names all automatically. And then they're going to go ahead and hit next, and it's going to redirect them to exactly where this listing lives on this agent's website. So I'm going to go ahead here and now launch this one for you. So I'm going to click select. I'm going to go ahead and find a fake listing on Zillow. You're not going to want to use Zillow. You're going to want to use your own website. I'm just going to grab this listing just to show you how easy it is. So this listing is in Upland, California. So I'm going to go ahead here and put in Upland. I know it's a 4-bed, 2-bath home. When it comes to the description, you can go to your listing that lives on your website, and in the description, grab everything except for price and location. So I'm just going to go ahead here and copy this. I'm going to paste it here. This is where the listing will live on your website. So in this example here, I'd grab this URL. Now for your listing, it's going to live somewhere on your own website. You can ignore the privacy policy. This will be a default for your account. Now, when it comes to an image, you can upload any of the images from this listing directly, but I'm going to go ahead to Canva here, and I'm actually going to build this one out. It's really easy. If you would like this exact template, just comment on the video below and you'll see the link for this template so you can use it. So I grabbed 3 photos in that listing, and look how easy it is to quickly customize this. I'm going to go ahead and hit download. Now that I've downloaded that image, I'm going to click upload an image. I'm going to select my image and click open. And there you have it. This listing is ready to go. Click next. When it comes to targeting, I recommend clicking drop a pin, going to the address of the property, copying that, pasting it in the search address. When it finds it, select it. This is going to automatically put a 50-mile radius around your property, which is where the majority of your buyers are going to come from. Click next. For a daily budget, you can run it anywhere between $5 to $9 a day. I'm going to leave it at $7, and I highly recommend doing a split test, but for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and hit deploy. All right, after just a few seconds, this ad has launched. Congrats, you'll now find this ad living under the ad section in your account, and after it goes live, all the stats and leads will automatically show up here.